desert quakes under heaven's decree. The dust of Egypt shivers in the twilight. A voice from the throne roars like rushing water. Go in unto Pharaoh, stand before the throne of pride and speak. Thus saith the Lord God of the Hebrews, let my people go, that they may serve me. If thou refuse to let them go, if thou hold them still, behold, the hand of the Lord is upon thy cattle, upon thy horses, thy asses, thy camels, thy oxen, thy sheep. There shall be a very grievous murrain. But the Lord shall sever between the cattle of Israel and the cattle of Egypt, and nothing shall die. That is the children of Israel. The Lord appointed a set time, saying, tomorrow the Lord shall do this thing in the land. And on the morrow thunder breaks, all the cattle of Egypt perish. But not one of Israel's is touched. Pharaoh sent and saw the truth, yet his heart was hardened, and he did not let the people go. Take to you handfuls of ashes from the furnace. Let Moses stand before Pharaoh and cast it toward heaven. It shall become small dust over all the land of Egypt, and become a boil, breaking forth with blains upon man and beast. The ashes rise like storm cloud sparks. Boils strike the flesh, the magicians fall, their pride shattered, unable to stand before the prophet. But Pharaoh's heart was hardened still. Rise up early, Moses, stand before the tyrant once more. Say unto him, thus saith the Lord God of the Hebrews, let my people go. For I will send all my plagues upon thine heart, upon thy servants, upon thy people, that thou mayest know there is none like me in all the earth. Now I stretch forth my hand, I smite thee and thy people with pestilence, and thou shalt be cut off from the earth. For this cause have I raised thee up, that my power may be shown, that my name be declared throughout all the earth. Yet you exalt yourself against my people. You will let them go. Behold, tomorrow about this time, I will cause it to rain a very grievous hail, the worst Egypt has ever known. Gather thy cattle, gather thy servants, bring them into shelter. For upon every man and beast left in the field, the hail shall fall, and they shall die. He that feared the word of the Lord fled to the houses, but he that regarded not the word of the Lord left his servants and his cattle in the field. Stretch forth thine hand, Moses, toward the heavens. Let it fall! And the Lord sent thunder and hail, and fire ran along the ground. Hail smote the land, man and beast shedding every tree, every ebb of the field. But in Goshen, the land of covenant, there was no hail. Pharaoh trembles, calls for Moses and Aaron. I have sinned this time. The Lord is righteous, and I and my people are wicked. Entreat the Lord, let there be no more thunder and hail, and I will let you go. And Moses said, as soon as I am gone, I will spread my hands to the Lord. The thunder shall cease, that thou mayest know the earth is the Lord's. But Pharaoh's heart hardened again.